Okay, one method, like when you're trying to do factoring by grouping and you have four terms, grouping is you're going to group the first two and group the last two. And then you're going to pull out a GCF for both of them. So just make a blank and then some parentheses, another blank, and then another set of parentheses, and label both of those blanks GCF. So we're going to do the GCF there and the GCF there. So pull out the biggest thing that goes into 2118. So that you figure out that's 3. And then you got 3 x's there, 2 x's there. How many can you take out of both? So you're going to take 2 out of both. And then what's left over is going to be this term divided by this term. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. X cubed, I took 2 out, so I still have 1x. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And then I took 2 out from x squared, so there's no more x's there. And then you do the same thing for the last set. You've got, what's the biggest number that will go into both 35 and 30? That's 5. And then whatever symbol is in between those parentheses, that's the symbol you put right here. So that's a plus, so plus 5. And then same process. 35x divided by 5 is 7x. And 30 divided by 5 is 6. And notice 7x plus 6 showed up twice. So now think of this as one term here and then a second term there. And they have in common a 7x plus 6 that showed up twice. If you do it correctly, that should happen every time. 7x plus 6 and 7x plus 6. It should be the same. So you're going to factor out what's in common from those two bigger terms. So you're going to factor out 7x plus 6. And then what's left over, if you cover up 7x plus 6 and 7x plus 6, what's left over is 3x squared plus 5. And that's your second term. 3x squared plus 5. And there's your answer. So you're looking for two binomials multiplied together. That's your answer. So when you have 4 terms, you factor it by grouping. And that's important because when we get to the next thing, the next video, I'll show you what happens if there's only 3 terms. And then you have to make it 4 terms and then do the same process as this one. So use this as a reference. I know all those questions you have probably won't be able to answer, probably won't be answered by just this. Hopefully this gets you just a couple of them.